friends, I am Shravani Someshwar Ishwar Shetty. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic today's education system in India. So friends, as we know, the education system of India is very ancient. As we know that there were Gurukul systems in ancient India. The disciples or followers would go to the Guru, live there, and they live there till they become a scholar in a specific topic. That was the education where we learnt value education, where we learnt Vedas, Sanskrita and charitable things, etc. But in modern period, since last 200 years, we have accepted the British education system. As we have suffered lot the British rule, we have accepted their education system, and now after getting freedom also we are following that education system. There are 3 steps of education. First is primary education, second is secondary education, and third is higher education. I won't talk about secondary or higher education, but I want to talk about primary education, which is getting the things bad. We have to be creative, or we should make the primary education creative. That's why we can develop our secondary or higher education. If we develop our primary education, we make it more creative, we make it more active, then the secondary education and higher education will automatically develop. This was the first thing. The second thing is that there are many classes, tuitions, English schools are being launched. In ancient period, if we see that there was no greediness in the Guru who taught his disciples or followers. He taught them ungreedily. But nowadays there is full of greediness in all the classes, tuitions and all the English schools, etc. There is education marketing in the surrounding. So that was the main point. And the third point is the reservation. The reservation is based on the caste. It should be based on talent. I want to tell you an example of UPSC exam. In UPSC exam, the last year cutoff of general caste people was 77 rank. Only the up to 77 rank people can get IAS post. In middle caste people, they get IAS post after if they get 277 etc. rank, and the lower caste people, which are SC, ST etc., they get IAS post after getting 500 rank. So we can see that the distance between the ranks. So this is very unfair. So that is the main point of education system. If we see the position of India in the world ranking of education, the India is at middle position because of the reservation based on caste. So these are the 3 main things. At last, I want to say that if we want to develop our education system, we have to educate ourselves, and for educate ourselves we have to hard work. At last, I want to say that if we want to reach at the peak of the success, we have to brighten like the sun, and if we want if we have to brighten like the sun, we have to burn like the sun. Thank you very much.